Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to send your Instagram highlight link to a group on Messenger using your PC. With the latest updates, this process has become even more straightforward, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Instagram.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look for your profile photo located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on it to access your profile. Now that you're on your profile page, scroll down to find your highlights right under your bio. These highlights are collections of your stories that you want to showcase permanently on your profile. Once you've located the highlight you wish to share, click on it to open it. Next, you'll want to grab the link for this highlight. Simply go to the address bar at the top of your browser. Here, you'll see the URL for your highlight. Click on it to select the entire link. After selecting it, right-click and choose Copy from the drop-down menu. This action saves the link to your clipboard, making it ready for sharing. Now, let's move over to Messenger. Look for the Messenger icon in the left side menu of Instagram, or open a new tab and go directly to messenger.com. Once there, find and enter the group chat where you want to send the highlight link. In the message box at the bottom of the chat, right-click again and select Paste. This will insert the link you copied earlier into the message field. Before hitting send, you might want to add a little context, or a message explaining what the link is about. Finally, once you're satisfied with your message, press enter or click on the send button. And just like that, your friends in the group will have access to your Instagram highlight. This simple process allows you to share memorable moments with friends effortlessly. So next time you want to share something special from your Instagram highlights, remember these easy steps. Happy sharing!